మారిషస్ సుప్రీంకోర్టు నూతన భవనాన్ని మారిషస్ ప్రధాని జగన్నాథ్తో కలిసి ఆన్లైన్లో ప్రారంభించాక ప్రధాని మోదీ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास, meaning together for everyone's growth with everyone's trust. Ladies and gentlemen, my government has chosen a focused path towards modernization, but we are at the same time conscious of the importance to preserve historic sites and heritage buildings. This is why the old buildings on the existing site of the Supreme Court will be preserved. These buildings, which date back to the French colonial times, will be renovated and will, in the future, house a separate court of appeal. We shall retain as much of the significant historical fabric as possible when carrying out the repair works. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event bears out the depth of our determination and commitment to our modernization endeavor for the well-being of our people. This is sacred for us, and I know, Shri Modi ji, that we both share this philosophy. Before concluding, I wish to once again thank you, Shri Modi ji, to grace us by your presence online and to share with us this momentous occasion. May the truth and justice always triumph in this new Supreme Court in the spirit of Satyamev Jayate, the Sanskrit mantra for truthfulness and national motto of India, which has been inspiring our people generation after generation. Long live the India-Mauritius relationship. Thank you for your kind attention. Dhanyavad.
Was able to support this effort through timely supplies of medicines and sharing of experience. Friends, today we celebrate yet another landmark in the special friendship between India and Mauritius. The new Supreme Court building in Port Louis is a symbol of our cooperation and our shared values. Both India and Mauritius respect our independent judiciaries as important pillar of our democratic systems. This impressive new building, with its modern design and construction, is a mark of this respect. I am happy that this project has been completed on schedule and within the initial estimated cost. Prime Minister Jagannath ji, only a few months back, we have jointly inaugurated the landmark metro project and a new state-of-the-art hospital. I am happy to know that both these projects are proving useful for the people of Mauritius. Friends, it was in Mauritius that I had first spoken about India's vision of Sagar, security and growth for all in the region. This is because Mauritius is at the heart of India's approach to the Indian Ocean region. And today, I want to add that Mauritius is also at the heart of India's approach to development partnerships. Friends, Mahatma Gandhi had rightly said, and I quote, I do want to think in terms of the whole world. My patriotism includes the good of mankind in general. Therefore, my service of India includes the service of humanity. Unquote. This is India's guiding philosophy. India wants to develop and India wants to help others in their own development needs. Friends, India's approach to development is mainly human-centric. We want to work for the welfare of humanity. History has taught us that in the name of development partnerships, nations were forced into dependence partnerships. It gave rise to colonial and imperial rule. It gave rise to global power blocks, and humanity suffered. Friends, India is making development partnerships
ప్రపంచ